In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the size of your new email compose screen in Gmail to full screen by default. If you've ever found yourself juggling different emails and noticed that the default compose window is just too small, you're not alone. Luckily, Gmail allows you to set your compose window to full screen, making it easier to manage your email compositions without feeling cramped. To start, you'll want to open a new email. Navigate over to your Gmail account and locate the button labeled Compose on the upper left side of the interface. Go ahead and click it. This will open a new email in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you might notice that this window is smaller than you'd like, but don't worry, we'll change that shortly. Next, let's increase this window to full screen. Take a look at the top right corner of the Compose window. You should see an icon that looks like two arrows pointing diagonally away from each other. Give that a click. By doing this, you're expanding the email window, providing a more comfortable space to write and organize your email content. With the window now full size, we'll set this as the default view so you don't have to do this every time you want to compose a new email. Direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your full screen compose window. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, commonly known as the More Options button. Click on this, and a menu will appear offering different options for customizing your email composition window. From this menu, you want to select Default to Full Screen. By clicking this option, you're telling Gmail to automatically open every new email you write in full screen mode, sparing you from the hassle of expanding the window each time. The last thing to do is to verify that your email compose settings are just the way you want them. Close the current email window. Simply click on the X at the top right corner of the compose window or press the Cancel button if you see it. Now, go ahead and open a new email by clicking the Compose button once more. This time, you should see that the Compose window opens directly in full screen mode, just as we configured it. By following these steps, you've made your Gmail experience a little more user-friendly and saved yourself some extra clicks. Now you can compose emails with all the space you need without needing to adjust the screen size each time you start a new message. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.